Hello, everyone. My name is Anna. I'm a PhD student at the University of York. And today I'm going to talk about my poster with the title, The Sleeping Brain's Response to Verbal and Nonverbal Memory Cues. A little background. Sleep is thought to actively support memory consolidation through the reactivation of newly formed memories. And this process is thought to be mediated by oscillations of slow wave sleep. One way of investigating memory reactivation during sleep is by re-exposing the sleeping brain to stimuli that are linked to newly formed memories. And this is a method called targeted memory reactivation. We aim to use secondary data to explore the differences in evoked sleep oscillations and wanted to first compare memory and control cues to observe memory-related processing. And also we wanted to observe whether the types of cues might evoke differential oscillations. So 51 participants first learned associations between visually presented words and spoken words, as well as environmental sounds. A subset of these verbal cues and nonverbal cues were then replayed during overnight slow wave sleep, as well as some previously unheard control cues. And also for a subset of the participants, the speaker for the verbal cues was changed. However, analyzing the oscillatory response, we didn't find any effect of changing the speaker. So we collapsed the data for the other analyses. We did find oscillatory differences between memory cues and control cues, where memory cues evoked this increase in theta and spindle band and later decrease in beta band. Interestingly, from a factorial approach, verbal and nonverbal cues evoked significantly different memory-related responses. So on the left, you can see cluster, which shows an increase in the spindle band. And on the right, you can see post-hoc tests of that cluster, which showed increase in power for verbal memory cues compared to control cues and nonverbal memory cues. So what can we learn from this? In line with previous findings, memory cues evoked increase in theta and spindle power, which have been linked to memory consolidation during sleep. A more novel finding was that verbal and nonverbal cues might differentially evoke spindle-mediated memory processes. So while researchers have previously been able to decode stimulus properties from spindles, this is the first study to link spindle power with verbal memory cues. So spindles may reflect the type of memory which is reactivated. Thank you very much.